Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to know your level in Pokemon Go. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Pokemon Go application and also make sure that you are logged in. Once you're inside the game, go and tap on your profile icon at the bottom left. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your level displayed right under your avatar. Simply keep playing the game in order to higher your Pokemon Go level. The higher your game level, the more items you can use and more powerful your Pokemon Go can become. That is how you'll be able to know your level on Pokemon Go. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.